Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed from Alhannah Islamic Clothing. Today we're going to show you how to wear the Ihram Hajj. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. We have a lot of good video come up. I don't want you to miss any of it. First, we're going to show you how to wrap the bottom side of the Ihram Hajj. Start it that way. You match those two fabrics together equally. Then you wrap this side this way. Then you come back again this way. And you roll it over. This is how you wrap the first piece of the Ihram Hajj. And now we're going to put the belt. The belt is very easy. You wear it just like you wear your regular belt. That will hold your ihram not to slip or slide anywhere, and you roll it over, make it tighter. And that's how you Ihram Hajj ready to go. Now we're going to show you how to wear the top piece of the Ihram Hajj. Go around like that. Make sure this side longer than this side to put over your shoulder, just like this. And now you're wearing the Ihram Hajj. It's just as simple as that. Very easy, not complicated. Ready to go. Just when you want to do the Tawaf around the Kaaba, you have to show your arm, the right arm, completely out of the Ihram Hajj. Which is you do it this way. You put your hand out and put the Ihram back on your shoulder. And now ready for the Tawaf. And you do all the Tawaf and you complete, finish. And this is how the Ihram Hajj look like. Just like that. It's very simple. It's not too hard. I'm wearing the dish dash just for the picture, for the demonstration, because I have to wear it in front of the camera. You could not wear the dish dash in when you wear the Ihram Hajj incomplete. You could not wear no dish dash. And that's it. Simple as that. All the items in this video you can find in the link below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Hajj Mubarak for all Hajji around the world.